Today, we're going to unlock the secret stories hidden inside every single digital photo you take. Let's dive in.
See, every image has this hidden layer of info, telling a story that's way more than what you see. It's called EXIF Metadata. Think of it like your photo's digital fingerprint. It's unique DNA. Yeah, it records everything, from the camera model to the exact GPS spot where you took the picture. The best way to see it all is with a simple online tool. You don't even have to install anything. It's super quick, just 3 steps. Go to a site, upload your pic, and boom, the data's right there. Now, your computer or phone can show you some of this stuff, but honestly, it's just scratching the surface. On Windows or a Mac, you can find the basics in the File Properties or the Preview Apps Inspector. But those built-in tools are pretty limited. An online viewer, that's going to show you the whole story. Okay, so you've got all this data in front of you. What's the important stuff to look for? You'll find the exact camera settings, the precise time, the location, and even crucial copyright info. This just shows you how deep the data goes. Most photos will have somewhere between 30 and 80 of these tags. All right, but why does any of this hidden data actually matter in the real world? Why should you care? Well, for one, a study found that images with all this data are 40% more likely to pop up in searches. So yeah, having this metadata makes a huge difference, from search visibility all the way to legal protection. For SEO, this data basically tells search engines your image is legit, which helps you rank higher. If you're selling stuff online, it makes your products look way more professional and helps them get noticed. And for all you creators out there, it's your first line of defense. It's proof that you own your work. So you see, it's not just a bunch of numbers. It's the story, the proof, the power baked right into your image. All that information is there, waiting for you. The only real question is, what story will you tell with it?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With EXIF Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. EXIF, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.